everybody's looking forward to the special speech of the president, and we don't want to preempt that. We will really let the president speak his special and deliver his special speech. But for us, we really look forward to strengthening the ties with the APEC countries, with the 21 countries that are part of APEC. And we really hope to get even closer to them, especially in a very friendly way, no? Sa trade, sa relationship natin, sa politics, also sa foreign affairs natin. And of course, again, we want to promote investments in our country, especially now they call the Philippines an Asian superstar. So talagang we really want to promote trade and investment because our president is really pro foreign trade and investment, because aside from the income that it generates for our country, it's also the jobs that it provides. He wants our Filipinos to stay in the country, to be with family. So, importante po ang APEC, and we really look forward to having closer ties and working closely with our counterparts and with the 21 countries that are part of APEC. Importante that the presence of the president is felt here in APEC, so he can really also tell the world leaders and tell the 21 countries what the Philippines is and what the plans of the Philippines and what we can offer the different member countries of APEC. And especially next year, we are hosting the ASEAN in 2026. So we really look forward to really getting the ASEAN countries as well as the APEC countries aware of what the Philippines can offer them. For the DTI, no, we will really continue to support the initiatives of the President. Whatever the President directs us to do, we will definitely follow. Yun ang direction ng DTI. And to everyone, to the Filipino people, please take advantage of all the programs and all the projects that the DTI has to offer you. We have so many programs for you.